Hi, good morning. Welcome to the next part of your algebraic expression. That is, last part is division. Still now we learn addition, multiplication, subtraction, and today's class we are going to discuss about the division. In division, three types of divisions are there. In that we are using quotient law. So earlier class, in the class of exponents, we learned quotient law. What is meant by quotient law? X to the power of n is equal to x to the power of m minus m when m is greater than n. So if basis of same means, if this power goes up means what happens? M minus n. So by using this law we are going to simplify this first part of division of mononomial by mononomial. What is meant by mononomial? An algebraic expressions contains only one term is called mononomial. So here mononomial by mononomial. Here first problem I am consider 36 a to the power of 7 by minus 12 a to the power of 3. So this is one mononomial and another mononomial. If divide both the mononomials, so look at here. You can cancel the numerical part. 12 ones are, 12 threes are. Here 3 is remaining here. 7 is there. If plus 3 will go so upside means what happen? Minus 3. That is equal to. Here minus sign is there in front of 12. You can put minus. That's why this is minus 3. In 7 3 will go means a to the power of 4. By using this quotient law, we can find out the answer of this variable part. In the second problem, 24 x cube y cube divided by minus 8 y square. So here also we can cancel 8 ones are, 8 threes are. Here no x variable in the denominator. So y is there. So that's why what is remaining here, minus sign is there, you can put minus 3 x, there is no x variable in the denominator. So you can keep as it is x variable. So in y, plus 2 will go to numerator means what happened? Minus 2. That is minus 3 x cube y to the power of 1. That is the answer. And next question. 63 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 5 c to the power of 6 divided by minus 9 a square b to the power of 4 c to the power of 3. If it is not in order means you can arrange in order like a b b c c. Now you can easily cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are, 9 sevens are. So what is the, here minus sign is there, you can put minus 7. Here a, here 2, a 4 minus 2, b 5 minus 4, c 6 minus 3. That is minus 7. In 4 2 will go means 2, 5 4 will go means 1, c 6 3 will go means 3. So this is the answer what we have to find out. And next type is dividing polynomial by mononomial. So in first method, mononomial by mononomial, division of mononomial by mononomial. Here division of polynomial by mononomial. Here one polynomial is there, here one mononomial is there. So 8x minus 10y plus 6c by 2 means 8x, that mononomial divide each term of the polynomial. So look at here. So it divides each term of the polynomial. So you can easily cancel to 1s are, to 4s are, 4x, to 1s are, to 5s are, minus 5y, to 1s are, to 3s are, 3c. So when polynomial is divided by mononomial means that mononomial divides each terms of the polynomial. So then only you will get the answer. In the next problem, 9a to the power of 5 minus 6a square by 3a square means 9 a to the power of 5 divided by 3a square. This 3a square divide each term of the polynomial. 6a square divided by 3a square. So you know that now it is monomial by monomial. You can easily cancel 3 ones are 3 threes are 3. Here a to the power of 5, a to the power of 2 is there. You can shift plus 2 to numerator minus 2 by using quotient law. Minus 3 ones are 3 twos are 2. Here a 2 minus 2. That is 3. A to the power 5 2 will go means 3. 2 a to the power of 0. A 3 2 is the answer because a to the power of 0 answer is, if any base is there, power is equal to 0 means that value of the power of exponent is equal to the 1. That's why answer is 3a cube minus 2. Next type is, this is third type. So in the first type dividing monomial by monomial. In the second type dividing polynomial by monomial. In third type of division is dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. So here polynomial by a polynomial. Here we are using some tricks to dividing condition. First, a square plus 7a plus 12 divided by a plus 4. So this divided you can put inside the bracket, outside a plus 4 you can write. Carefully listen this text because here if you are making confusion means the whole problem will wrong. So now I am starting. Here in the first term a square is there, next a to the power of 1 is there. Variable in one order, decreasing order is there. So if it is shuffle they are given means first you have to arrange this one in order, decreasing order of the power variables. Okay. So here a square is there. Here which term you are taking multiplied with this a, you will get the a square. So first term, check first term, here a square is there. For this, if you want same variable with same power means, what should be multiplied here? I multiplied with plus a. Because a into a what? A square. Carefully listen. A into a square. A, here plus 1 is there, plus into plus, plus. A into 4, 4a, 4a. Because second term, whatever it may be, multiplied we are getting. So first term we should be matched because we want to cancel the terms. So here a square is there, that's why I am considering it here a. Suppose if you are considering here 2 means a square into a to the power of 3 you are getting. We are not getting same value. So if you want same value here, so according to this, you have to arrange this. So here I am taking a to the power of 1 means here a to the power of 1 is that if you multiply these two, you will get a square. And multiply these two also, you will write. Subtract. So while you are doing subtract, the sign will be changed. Plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. Plus a square minus a square get cancelled. Here plus 4. Here minus, plus 7 and minus 4. Not considering this sign, minus 4. 7 minus 4 will go means 7 4 will go means 3. Variable is a. And next step, what is the remaining term? You can get it down. What is that remaining term? 12. Again same procedure. So what should be multiplied from here to here? You will get, what is the term here? 3a. We want 3a. Here a is there. So that's why I am multiplied with plus 3. Here plus 3 I am considering means plus 3 into a plus 3a. Because I want to cancel this term. Next plus into plus, plus 3 4s are 12. Again subtract, plus will become minus, this is plus will become minus, plus 3a minus plus 12 and minus 12 get cancelled, 0. What is the answer? A plus 3. Quotient is the answer. So I am repeating the steps because it is very carefully we have to do. So when this one polynomial and this one polynomial, if this polynomial is divided by this polynomial means, so first polynomial you can write inside the bracket, second polynomial outside. So you can check the first term of the dividend is here a square is there. So here a is there. So what should be multiplied to get a square means only a you should multiply. A into a square. So a into 4a plus 4a. So after that you have to subtract. So here plus sign is there. This plus sign will become minus. Plus will become minus. Cancel it. Now in 7 4 will goes means 3a. After finishing this step, you can get it the next term. Continue the process like this until last term of the dividend. So 12 I am getting down. So after getting 12, here 3a is there. Here a is there. So what should be multiplied? You will get 3a here means plus 3. Same sign. Here plus 3a is there. That's why I am considering here plus 3. Plus 3 into a plus 3a. 3 into 4 plus 12. Again subtract means plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. Plus 3a minus 3a get cancelled. Plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. 0 will get. Some cases you are getting 0 remainder. Some cases you are not getting 0 remainder. Don't worry. So if you are not getting also, don't worry. If you are getting also, don't worry. So here the answer is a plus 3 is the answer. Similarly for this problem also we are going to second problem. First 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square divided by what? 3x plus 4y. So first you consider here 12x square is there. 12x square is there. Here 3x is there. So for 3, what should be multiplied? You will get 12. 4. 3 4s are 12. But we want x square. Here x is there. That's why you can consider x. X into x square. You will get same term for cancelling. You understand? I hope you children. So you are clearly explained this step. So you should be carefully do this step. So after this, same thing you multiply for this. Here plus 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 plus. 4 4s are 16. X into y, xy. So x and y are two different variables. That's why xy. Next one. This plus will become minus. This plus will become minus. So these two are cancelled. So here minus 16 is there. Here plus 7 is there. So in minus 16 plus 7 will goes means minus 9 xy minus 12 y square. After this you can get on the next term of the given dividend. So next term. Here 9 we want. What type of 9 we want? Minus 9. So here plus 3 is there. So that's why I am considering plus into minus minus. 9 we want means what should be multiplied? 3 3s are 9. X is there. So we want here xy. So if you multiply it with y, look at here 3y. 3 into 3, 9. X into y, xy. Next term, minus into plus, minus. 4 3s are 12. Y into y, y square. Now again you can change the sign. Here it will become plus. Here this is also plus because both the cases have minus sign. Here plus 9 xy minus 9 xy get cancelled. Plus 12y square minus 12y square get cancelled. What is the remainder? 0. What is the final answer you are getting here? 4x minus 3y. So in this case of dividing polynomial by polynomial, you should observe the first term and first term of the dividend. So dividend and divisor, and so in the question you have to put proper term and multiply, and you will get the proper answer. So that's why still now we learn the division process of these three methods are there. So a lot of problems are there in your textbook. You can sit and solve the problems. So, okay, thank you for watching this video, and this part we complete the chapter of algebraic expression. You can sit in home, complete full classwork of algebraic expression. Thank you once again.